In this video, we will see how we can import data from a PDF file to our sheet. Importing data from a PDF is very common business scenario. Sometimes the documents are available in a PDF format, and when you need to edit them into XLSS format, then you need to import them first and then into your spreadsheet. Then only you can edit them. So we have seen Excel import option where you can import various files which are XLSS doc file or a PDF file. But Google does not allow importing PDF files. Google can only import a doc file or a spreadsheet. To import a doc file into a spreadsheet, the doc file must be in a format of a table. Otherwise, you cannot import it. So I have few files into my Google Drive. So if you want to import any file into your Google spreadsheet, you first have to upload them into your Google Drive. So I have this employee data, Apple balance sheet, and this Excel file. Now if I look at this employee data, it looks like a spreadsheet, but it is in form of a PDF. But if I open this Apple balance sheet, it does not look like a spreadsheet. It has other values, it has text, and it is in a form of a table, but it does not look like a spreadsheet. So if I convert this file into a doc file, then only I can import it in a Google Sheet. But if I convert it into a doc file, let's wait for it to convert. Now it has been converted into a doc file, but it does not look like a spreadsheet, or it does not even look like a table. That's why I cannot import it into my spreadsheet. Now let's look at this employee data. Right click here, open with Google Doc. Now this employee data does look like a table, but still it has few problems. As you can see, the serial number has been inside this role, and only first is in a serial number column, other has been added here. So if I copy it and paste it, thus the problem will still remain same. Control C it and Control V, the problem is same. Now I have to change this and edit this to make it happen. That is a negative point of Google Sheet over Excel, as in Excel you can directly import a PDF file. Now let's undo it. To import an Excel file, you can directly import a file. Go to Files, Import. Here you can import Excel file or a Google Doc. Now if I go to Recent, I will find this employee CTC data. If I want to insert it, now let's use the Insert in New Sheets and Import Data. As you can see, the data has been imported. So Excel files or XLSS files or doc files can easily be imported into Google Sheet, but these files must be in a table format. This is how you can import the files from a PDF or from an Excel file in Google Sheet. Now we will move to the next video. Thank you.